So now you will see the image of the screen inside this MSN Recorder Mac screen recorder, as I'm also pasting, edit and paste the file name that I just created, which includes the following words: my video dash, then the date. 25 represents the current year, 2025. 03 represents the month of the third month of March, and 12, the 12th day of the month, which is today, Wednesday, and then the time that MPEG. So this is a video file name. Now to this I want to add PSAR, problem step recorder, so I'm going to run it, and I want to verify that it is set up for 999 screen. So I entered, upgrade the 25 default to 999, and then I start the recording. I want to add a comment with a video file name from MSN Recorder to embed in the PSAR, problem step recorder executable, so they are linked together. And now I'm going to take the dialog step recorder recording now dialog box and place it on top of MSN Recorder Max. In addition to that, I've just installed another software application, which is a webcam software that doesn't run so well, but maybe this time, since I've just reinstalled it, it will start running. Let's see what happens since I've just reinstalled the new version of it, which is a very crashy type of a program. As you can see, oops, UCam has stopped. So this is the problem of the software. It never works quite right. So you have to install it and reinstall it many times until you get it to work. I would like the camera to work with the camera software from Microsoft, but somehow it stopped working. The camera app from Microsoft. Let's see if I can get it to work. Let's make it a little smaller and see if I can rotate this camera to use various cameras. So here is one camera that I'm using now, and I'll keep it on this camera, or maybe I can use the 360 camera. I'm debating. Let's see what else can I use. Let's rotate it around. See that it has some problems with some of the cameras, as you can see. Here's a camera that gives it trouble. I'm not sure which camera is this, but this is my camera here. Let's see if I can rotate it some more and see another camera. Maybe another camera will be better. Yes, the Microsoft camera seems to be better, so maybe I will use it for now and start recording from the Microsoft camera. Start the recording, and it will turn on something went wrong. Sorry, we aren't able to save the video. If you need it, here is the error code. They give you some error code that you cannot copy. This is why you need PSAR, problem step recorder. So close it, and let's see if I can change the camera or try it again, yet again. Maybe the next time it will be somewhat better now. So close it, and let's rotate it to another camera yet. See if another camera is, close other applications. Another app is using the camera. Okay, so close this camera. Try to rotate it to another camera yet that no other app is using. And let's try to save it from this camera. It looks like this camera may be good enough. I just want to rotate it a little bit towards me and see if we can use this camera. No, it cannot use this camera either. Let's rotate it to yet another camera. Let's see if it can use the Logitech camera. Not sure which camera is that, but this camera cannot display obviously on the screen anything, so this is not good. So rotate it yet again to another camera. let's see if this camera is able to record. So I'm going to press the record button here. And this camera doesn't work either. I'll have to reinstall this camera software. And this comes with the Windows. You can download another version of it and try to install it because it seems like it is not going to work.
I'm waiting for you on Zoom.
Okay, this camera, let's see if this camera can record.
There's some issues.
No, this camera also cannot record. So basically none of the cameras can work.
Okay.
The only way to deal with it is to reinstall it. So
Can we do that another time?
we'll do it another time. In the meantime, I want to add to it also Loom, a cloud recorder, because obviously this computer has got enough problems. And also MSN Recorder Max is another camera. This camera, I click record, oops, and it records right away. It stopped the previous recording and it starts another recording here using the 360 camera above my head. And now I will select the camera for the Loom and see if that camera can work. Which camera can work here? And this camera, which camera is that? I'm trying to investigate it.
Looks like from the far, maybe it's all the way up there.
I'm not sure which.
Is
Please
it this one?
don't help me. Thank you. Please don't help.
It's right this one, it's this one.
Okay,
It's this one.
fine. Okay, so,
Why,
but I don't like. Yeah, that may be good enough for now.
that's this one. You can change the angle if you want.
Fine. Okay. I want to see if I can use another camera also. Okay, let's start with this so that we don't waste so much time. We'll use that camera and that's it. That's good enough. So I'll focus in more on myself. Okay.
So join the Zoom.
Alright, so now I want to join the Zoom call
And you can go to, you see that meeting Vappy?
and start, click meeting Vappy and click it to start the Zoom call. I've already two of them, fundamental.
No, but it's not a
Which
join.
one do you want?
The Vappy.
The Vappy one? Okay, and I can close the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, I close the other one.
You may make it.
And now start AI companion to assist you meeting something, start meeting summary for everyone in this meeting. Turn on. Then I want to adjust the speaker, reduce the volume so it doesn't have so much echo.
What do you want to name yourself? I'm going to rename you. What do you want to be renamed?
Name me Dr. Zoom.
Okay, now you want to use the video?
Yes.
So you can click on the video on Zoom.
I want to tighten up the knobs on my lanyard. Let me finish with my lanyard, okay? And then I want to turn the 360 camera my way so the viewer can see it. I'm going to connect the retractable to my back. First of all, the one set of retractables for the upper legs, and then the second set of retractable for the lower legs. Then I want to swap phones, so I want to take out the phone that is currently there and replace it with another phone that is fully charged. I'm going to take the phone that is not sufficiently charged it out, turn the other phone on, swipe it, close all the apps, and select camera, and then select video. Now that it is going, and I put on also the flashlight, I'm going to insert into my lanyard.
Don't you want to turn it off, the flash?
I don't want to turn the flash off. Why should I turn it off?
Because when you put your video on, try to put your camera on, there'll be too much glare.
It's good enough for now.
No, but try to put your camera on.
Okay.
Just until you know, not that one.
That's the
On
only
Zoom.
camera that
No,
I have.
No, you don't.
Oh,
on
you want the
Zoom.
zoom camera?
Yes.
Okay, so
Try the zoom camera and then
I'll turn it off
That's what it did for you. Turn
Okay.
on and make up the zoom.
and turn the video on in the zoom camera.
Yeah.
Okay,
So then you see both. Okay?
fine.
See me?
I see you and I see me.
Okay.
Let me tilt the computer a little bit so I can get more of my head in there.
Be careful.
Okay.
Okay. And you know how you can get more of your head in there? Close those talks right there.
Turn on audio.
No, just exit all of those. Yeah, and X the other one. Then you can see what's written on your hat. Yeah.
Reclaim host.
No, just
Stay
exit.
co-host.
No, stay covered.
Yes.
Now you can see yourself better.
Fine.
Now,
Okay.
if you want, you can make it larger.
It's good enough. I don't need to make it larger.
Okay.
Do you want me to turn on the audio?
I think if you turn on the audio,
Yes.
then I'm going to have to reduce my audio.
I don't think so because my speaker is very low
Okay, fine.
and it's fine.
Okay, do you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Through the computer?
Yes.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start. Welcome, everybody. Today we're
Did
going
you stream it to YouTube?
Oh, I'm going to right now.
So let's stream it to YouTube.
No, I
too.
first have to record to the computer.
Okay, fine.
I'm waiting. Okay?
So
I'm going to record to the cloud, not to the computer.
can you share your screen so the audience can see what you're doing here?
Well, right now they're seeing this, exactly what you're saying.
Yeah, but I cannot see your screen. What is important is to show your screen also.
Well, I'm not doing my screen yet. I'm just doing Zoom first.
Fine, I want to see the Zoom.
Okay.
How do you turn on things on Zoom?
Well, in a second. Can you bear with me?
Yeah, I didn't tell you to do it right now.
Yes, you did.
Okay.
Okay. All right. So we're starting, okay? We all want to be cooperative. You got it?
Yeah.
So, right now, I want to you see my screen?
Yes.
I have to stop sharing. I cannot do that until yes. Sure. I cannot share my screen first.
Fine, so don't.
It won't allow me to do that if I need to
Fine.
live stream. Okay?
Okay.
So I need to go to welcome everybody. I need to go to live on YouTube. I'm going to choose a Google account and I'm going to stream to It Is Training. Is that okay?
Yes. The same thing you stream your classes.
Just,
Keep it simple.
and then I have it in public and I'm going live. And you should see a sign there that Zoom is preparing to live stream the meeting.
Fine.
And it is working, it is streaming live. You have it on your screen, do you see it? Up above. What does it say? You want me to go there and show you?
YouTube, you mean?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just get the URL for YouTube.
Do you want me to help
Put
you?
it in my notes.
Okay.
So I copied it to the clipboard buffer. And then I want to reduce the volume so it doesn't interfere.
You don't have any volume. It's perfect.
I don't have any audio, so I can leave it like this.
Yes. Let me see. Go down and you can see if it's muted. Go
Yes,
down.
please tell me what to do and don't punch the screen.
I'm not punching the screen. Move down. Move your cursor down the screen so we can see. Right here. Now move here. Make that mute. Right there. Click. That's
Okay.
it. You got it?
Yes.
All right, now go back to Zoom. To the right-hand side. Right there. But don't have both of them. It gets too confusing. Minimize. Okay. All right. And then you want to have your face right in the middle of my face, covering my face?
You don't want it? What do you
What?
want? To be on the side?
Yeah, but why don't you see me?
Because it's not the
No,
Zoom.
because you're in YouTube. You're not in Zoom.
Right. Okay, so now
Okay.
I'm on Zoom.
Okay. So if
Okay,
you
now.
pay attention, you'll see that we are recording live to YouTube, and you see we're also recording. You see that on your screen? On the very top, it should say recording. Do you see it?
Yes, recording. I see
Okay.
that.
So what did I just say? You want to repeat what I just said?
Yes, you asked me if I see recording on the top of the screen, and I said yes.
And that's Zoom recording to the cloud. And then we also have Zoom recording to YouTube live on a channel right now. The recording will give us a URL only after we leave the meeting. Do you understand?
Yes. Can you drink some water or something to clear your throat? Thank you.
Okay. Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
I don't see you ready to begin. Okay, so today what we're going to be talking about is creating an instance of happy. You spell it V-A-P-I. And let me share my screen, and I'll start. I'm sharing my screen. I'm going to go to my Chrome. And in Chrome, what I'd like everyone to do is go to a tab and type VAPI.ai. And you'll see the advantage that this is voice AI agents for developers. And you can talk to VAPI. And if you look at the use cases, it can make thousands of calls. Its features, it's flexible it's multilingual. It can use automated testing, and it's basically up 99% of the time. It's SOC 2, HIPAA, and PCI compliant, enterprise level security. And what I like about it, it's making the voice AI simple and accessible. So Dr. Zoom, do you want to take over?
No, I want you to, you're the teacher, I'm the student.
No, but you wanted to show last time you showed it. You want to do it, and I'll just tell
No,
you
I
what
want
to
you
do.
to tell me what to do, yes. Just wait for me to refresh this PSR, please. The current time is 3:36. Now I want to copy the PSR file name to the clipboard buffer and then insert it before the file itself.
Okay, we can't take so much long for each time, so if you can hurry that
Follow
up.
a backslash, and then make a note that this is a .zip type of file. So I'm putting .zp in the title. And now I'm satisfied with this file name. I'm going to copy to the clipboard buffer and save it. But it doesn't work for some reason. The reason that it may not be working is because of the question mark that is embedded in here. But it's not allowed in a file name. Let me delete it and see if that is the correct reason. So I copy it again to the clipboard buffer without the question mark. I replaced it with a dash and then I save and that works. So now I click on the review additional details to see that up to now it took 133 steps. As I start a new recording, I click the new recording button and then add comments in which I paste the previous psr.txt file name, enter return and OK. And then drag it away from the center of the screen to a corner on top of the MSN Recorder Max. Then I'll go back to my notepad and edit, paste it in the notepad, widening the notepad and adding a few blank lines, and then file, save as, to be sure that it saves it in the right subfolder. I want to save it in the log subfolder. So I'm going to, first of all, paste over the new name that I created, change it from zip to .text, so I'm going to put .tx, and delete the P. Then I'm going to scroll down to the log subfolder. So this is the letter L. So I scroll down to the letter L, LMNOP, LM, H is too far. And I'm looking for here is the log subfolder. Open the log subfolder. I don't know why it doesn't open. Then copy the path to the log subfolder. And paste and backslash. So now I got it in my desired log subfolder. I copy to the clipboard buffer and then click the save button. Then I'm going to edit the psr by selecting add and paste the newly created file in psr problem step recorder and OK. And then finally paste it in my notepad, edit, paste, and enter, and file save. So you told me that you want me to navigate to a browser to VAPI AI?
Yeah, but first you have to share your screen.
Okay. So I will click on share. Select my entire screen.
And on the bottom you have to do
And then
share.
on the bottom I click the share icon.
And now Dr. Zoom has started sharing.
Okay.
And
So
so you
I'm
want
going to write first of all the file name in my notes, VAPI AI. VAPI.ai.
Can you minimize your MSN recorder and your webcam max so we can
Yes.
see better?
Can minimize MSN recorder, minimize webcam max.
And then you can make it
Yeah.
larger. And you can put it down below, and then can you make larger your screen?
I'd like to keep it a little small so I can see my...
Right. So make
What
Zoom
do you
larger.
want now?
Zoom to take more of the part.
Tell me by keystroke what exactly do you want me to
Bring
do?
down the Zoom,
The zoom on what?
the Zoom instance. Bring it down to the end of your screen.
I don't know what is my end of the screen.
Right down here, your Zoom.
Please articulate.
Yes, please bring your Zoom
Use
to
the
fill
pointer.
up your desktop larger. I don't need to see your desktop. I don't need to see your desktop.
What do you want me to do again?
I want you to enlarge that Zoom instance.
This zoom
No,
here?
no, No,
No.
this right here in front. Bring it down.
Bring this down?
Yes.
Okay, what else?
And bring it to the side. You need it to be. You need your notebook, your notepad to be so big. Okay, yeah, that's good.
Better?
And then reduce that picture of yourself because you want to see the screen. You want to be able to see the screen of Vappy.
Fine.
And you'll be
What else do you
disturbed.
want now? Is
Well,
this good?
It's better.
Okay. So what do you want next?
You also have to. So now share your screen. So now you have your screen. Now go to
Share.
Zoom. You're in share. You're sharing your
So
screen.
cancel. Share.
You're in share already.
So I don't need to do it again.
No, but go to your browser. Go to Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome.
So I click on Google Chrome. Okay.
And open up Google Chrome.
Which I have two tabs.
I don't know what you have. And
So
expand
open.
that all the way.
One,
Use
two.
that full screen. Use a
Yeah.
full screen that everybody can see it.
Okay.
Yes. And then say okay here. You're basically crowding the screen. No one can read what you have.
Okay. And what now?
And now go to vappy.ai.
I paste Vappy.
No, you don't want to paste that. You want to go to vappy.ai. I asked you to maximize your Google Chrome. Again, maximize your Google Chrome.
Edit copy Vappy.ai to the clipboard buffer and then paste it on Google.
Not on Google, on a tab.
Doesn't matter. That's fine. Okay.
And now maximize that screen. Maximize that browser.
Maximize the browser.
Okay.
Okay. And what would you like to do next?
Now, do you want to start with what you have already of your
No.
dashboard, or you want to
No.
start?
I want to start from the beginning, as if I never done with
So you
another
have to-
email account.
So you have to sign up. You see
So
where
I
contact
need
is
to
on.
sign up, right?
Right.
So I click sign up. Now I need to select an email.
Right.
Well, let's use one strategic,
Have you used it already?
not for this purpose, I didn't.
Okay. And then put it in your notes of what you're going to be using.
So one strategic is good.
That's fine, but you have to make sure that
Okay.
you put it in your notepad so you know that this is
So
what
I
you
wanna-
use.
Copy to the clipboard buffer.
Right.
Open my notepad again. And paste it after Vappy.
Yes.
So I
And put the
know
date. That you know
Control.
which date you're using.
V. It is
Okay.
all dated in
Okay.
Psar.
Okay, fine.
So to put it to update Psar, and you can see the note,
Okay, fine.
it will take some time. I don't
Okay,
think we need to do
now,
it now.
now put in the password.
Now, when I put in a password, right?
אל תשים אותו דבר שיש לך, תשים משהו אחר.
Okay.
So you're gonna remember it?
Yes. So I signed in.
Okay,
The
now.
one strategic.
So you
the
may want to
Gmail.
save it, you could save it, so that every time you go in,
So then I saved it also.
okay.
So what should
So
I do
now,
next?
now click sign in.
Then I click sign in.
Mhm.
Okay, I clicked sign in.
What happened? So I guess you may have to go to your Gmail and see if they gave you some verification.
Okay.
So open up another tab
So I'll open up another tab
in the same browser,
in the same browser.
right next to Vappy dashboard. You see Vappy
Or
dashboard?
open another tab, you mean?
Yes.
Okay.
And go to one extra strategic. And check your email.
Okay, let me see what is in inbox here. And in inbox here we have the same inbox twice, so I can use this one to log into another account. So I want to log into another account.
One strategic.
And add another account. Place the other account.
That's fine, and then it's okay.
Next.
Next.
And here is a message.
Google Voice being expired.
Yes, in 30 days, so, which is fine.
February 6th, have you done that already?
February 6th, I think that I've done it already.
But you didn't delete it
Just
from there.
to be sure, let me just log into the Google Voice and see that I have done it already, and then delete this message. So I'm going to Google Voice.
February 7th. So it seems good.
It seems like I've done it already, and I didn't get any message either. So what do you want now?
Go back to Happy. Let's see what's happening in Happy here. Go back to go back to Google. Chrome. Go back to your Chrome. No, that's not it.
You can close this one.
You see down below you have Chrome.
Yes.
Go to Vappy. Now see the tab Vappy?
Now this is definitely in the right account. Yes. Let me go to the Gmail and delete the message because it's no longer relevant.
Right.
So I can delete this and minimize it now. What? To go to Vappy, right? Vappy, okay. What does it say?
Okay, sign into your account or sign with, sign up.
Sign in again.
No, sign up. Yeah. You see where it says sign up? Below. Excuse me.
Please don't scream.
I'm not screaming. You see where it says sign up? Yeah.
Yes, sign up, okay.
What's happening? Okay. So do Google, Google, create your account, so put in your email again.
My email again?
Yeah, the same one.
One strategic.
Yeah, right. And put in create a different password.
A different, what's wrong with the same?
I need a password must be at least 10 characters.
Oh, 10 characters?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, right now I have 8.
Right.
I can add.
I'll give you myself to add.
Okay, then.
Shesh Palmayan, no?
Password must contain at least one symbol.
Right.
So I'll go back and I'll edit dash also.
Okay.
So it will be on.
Maybe start from the beginning.
Sign in again.
No, just sign up. No, you see sign up here. Do you know what your password is?
I think that I didn't select Google. That was the problem. Yeah, let me go again and do it all over again with a Google account from this list.
Okay. So one strategic
Let me use, maybe it is strange. This is what I forgot to click Google.
No, you have one strategic thing.
Okay, so one strategic, fine. It is ARush.
Okay.
Okay, remember that.
Okay, continue.
Continue.
Oh.
Update.
Oh, they just take from Google, no data here. Okay. Okay, now you're gonna have to move your loom. No, your loom, where we can't read what's underneath the overview on the left panel.
Oh, just make it a little smaller then. So.
What are you doing?
I just moved it away from.
Okay, fine. Now move right the loom. Okay.
What do you want now?
Now you have to go back to your Google. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. Now, what you hear, you have an overview, you have assistants, and you have phone numbers. Do you want to create the assistant first and then the phone numbers?
No, I want to create the phone numbers first. The most important is to get the...
But I think you have to create an assistant first.
So tell me what to do and I'll do whatever you want.
I think you have to do assistant. Go to assistants.
Okay, go to assistant.
Okay. And you see on the top there it says, do you want to do Mary Dental or you want to do it something else?
Let's do gaming. We did already
Okay.
Mary Dental.
Okay, so create assistant. You see that on the top? You have the 3 panels. You have the left-hand panel, and then you have create assistant.
Mary Dental.
No, to the left of that.
On the top of what?
To the left of Mary Dental's appointment schedule.
Here, Mary Dental appointment.
And on top of it, you see where it says
create assistant. Yes. So what do you want me to do now? Click on it, okay.
Okay, this is where you do it. So the first thing you want to do is you have an assistant name. Just keep it new assistant. I just keep it new assistant. And then underneath you have for a quick start, you have appointment center, customer support, inbound, and game.
Let's try the game, and then the pre-configured demo. Template is set up to give you a quick introduction to your assistant. Use it as a reference or a starting point for creating your custom assistant.
Let's start with game NPC.
It seems like a pre-configured one is easier for the students to do.
I don't know, I've never used it, we can try it.
Let's use it one time now.
Okay, now there's a plus. What's that plus?
Plus, create a new one.
I don't know, what's a plus mean? Click on it.
I told you.
Okay, click.
To mark it as the selection.
Okay, mark it selection, okay. So click. I've never used it before, so I don't know what I'm doing.
Now you know, I clicked it.
Okay, so click it.
And nothing happens.
What?
So you want to try the game then?
Hold on, let me just see something here.
Tell me what to do.
Make this larger.
This larger?
Make this whole screen larger so I see the whole thing here. Because see, when you make it too small, you don't just, you understand, and you've done that many times. Many times you do that.
So you have to know to correct the students. They say, I don't see the create assistant, so you have to stress, you have to make it full screen.
Right. I told you that 4 times already. You remember?
So time number 5,
right.
Make the screen full size so it can display the message create assistant.
Right. And we've never used pre-configured demo.
Right. So let's try to use it now so we know what the result is.
Okay, so now create assistant.
But it may not let you select the phone number, which is a problem. But
I don't know.
Try create assistant. Okay.
You said you wanted to do that.
Yes. Hello, I'm Jordan, the CEO of co-founder of API.
Where do you see that?
First message here. What is your name?
Oh, that's the first message. It says, I'll identify you are Jordan, co-founder. Oh, the problem with this is you have to fill it out. It's like prompting you. You have to answer all the questions. You understand? And then it'll create a demo.
So we don't want to do that because this is too much work.
Yes.
So we want to go back and cancel that and do again the gaming and see
because this is a way, it's kind of like fill in the blanks.
Right.
Tell me your name.
And that will take a long time.
They can do that later, maybe as a part, but
right.
You understand?
So we want to go back and select something else, right? And go back.
Create an assistant. Go and create an assistant now. maybe.
Create an assistant again.
Let's see. You know what I'm
And now
saying?
we'll select game.
Game or inbound Q&A or customer support.
We'll do something different
Let
than
me
what we've
see what
done
it
before.
says. Let me read it. What does it say?
An assistant for demonstrating an in-game NPC. Ilania is designed to offer guidance, lore, and insight into the mysteries of the natural world.
See, I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? It's like those gamers, and they have like a virtual meta game, and that's not for businesses.
Okay, so what? Inbound Q&A.
That's for like home advice or customer support. I like.
What do you like?
I like customer support because it's the most generic.
Okay, so customer support, I select it.
And then you
Okay.
have to do. What are you missing?
Nothing, I have to create an assistant.
Exactly.
So can I create an
Yes.
assistant? What would you like me to do next?
Create an assistant.
So I create an assistant.
Okay. So in creating an assistant, can you please move your loom, where it's hiding all your commands
Fine. I
on
have
the
to make
left.
it a little smaller than
Yeah.
extend it.
Right. That'll be good. Okay.
Okay, now what would you like?
Make it a little longer.
You mean taller?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah. You understand?
yes,
So this is Ava. All right.
yes.
And now demo assistant. And this is Ava. Okay, this is Ava. We can use Ava as our, okay, and now go to phone numbers.
I'll go to phone numbers.
Right.
Okay, so now I'm on phone numbers.
Okay, now you create a phone number.
I'll create a phone number.
Now which phone are you going to use?
I'm going to bring up my notepad.
Okay, so bring up your notepad. Your
I mean
notepad,
my spreadsheet.
your spreadsheet, your Excel spreadsheet.
Yes, I'm turning on Excel. And I want to open the XLS Vanity phone number, which you put on Blackboard.
Right.
So here, all those that are marked
Or what?
are what we want to use. For example, 248 is good because it spells the word bit.
Why don't we continue with USA for ourselves? Just put not now. Because it's that Excel, that's the version for the,
Because we want to test others
oh, you
to
do?
see, yes. Because one day they may become available and then we want to use them.
Okay. I thought you wanted to grab it for yourself, some more USAs, before they get rid of it.
Then,
I'm asking you.
fine.
Job is good too.
Work is good, job is good.
I think. What do you think?
Job was working one time, I have to make a note of it here.
Why
Put a
isn't
V.
it?
I didn't note it that it
well-
worked also one time. So let me try job, is that okay?
Yeah. It'll tell you if it doesn't have it. 562, no?
So 5, 6, 2, and create.
No.
Currently not available. So 607 is not good,
What about
but
6?
262 is good.
What is that spell?
Bob or cob. Like cob of those animals, the small animals that make cobs and nets.
Oh, like copper, like a spider.
Yes, spider, right. Or Bob. You want USA instead, or
Yeah.
what would you
I
like?
like USA because might as well use something for ourselves. You understand? And see if it's available still.
Let me make sure that I have 262 in my notes.
Yeah. Go back up. No?
262.
Yes. You have it.
262 here.
Me and Mom talking again. Yeah.
So let's put a note that it was available. V for available.
Yeah.
Okay, and X for not available.
Right. So now go to USA, because I'd like to fill that out.
Okay, fine.
But you want to maybe do the dial pad or something like that so you can put in numbers to see what it spells?
USA.
No, but do you also want to open a tab for like dial? For dialing to find out what your number spells?
What Bob spells?
No, if you get some new numbers in USA,
okay,
you want to
fine.
see what it spells. So open up a tab of one of the dial pads.
Okay, dial ABC.
Right. See if it works.
Okay, it doesn't work.
Yeah. You have another one?
Yeah, I can spell my phone. Dictate to me.
Spell, S-P-E-L, my phone.
My phone number.
Right.
Here, vanity
Phone
resources.
spell. Okay.
262, 262, and show me. You want to find, here is Bob. And that was not available.
And Anna.
And Anna, which is good because this is a name of Anna. N-A-I.
And then it's
And boa too. It's
like
an
boa
animal.
constrictor.
Right.
Okay. But I like USA.
You
so,
like USA?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to put USA,
In Vappia.
USA is 872. 872.
I keep that on.
And show me. And then you have to scroll to the three characters that are at the bottom.
Right.
On the US.
But they say
Here, USA together. I don't know why
right.
they didn't list them together,
No.
but here it is.
I think they want a word, and it's not an. And that's the problem is that's an abbreviation.
Fine.
So they don't show you.
So anyway, is this good enough?
Yeah.
Or we want some more of this?
No.
Okay.
But just keep it now. Go to VAPI. Go to the tab VAPI.
Okay.
And then also go to. You have to list which numbers you already have taken.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
We just kill too much time. Let's
Okay.
try USA then.
Right.
I want to try other, like bit or something that is.
Okay.
Did I say that you already distracted so much? I've had 2, 4, 8, I said, right? 8.
No.
Oops, we couldn't find this page.
Hmm.
Create a phone number. 248.
Doesn't work.
Create. Okay.
No, that's not good. It's
Not
8
good.
one.
No.
All numbers.
So
But it is available.
it is available, but I don't want it because
Right.
it has digits in it.
Right.
And this is the struggle that I want to go through to demonstrate. Don't just take any name,
Right.
but mark that it didn't work.
Right.
Bit.
But the area code is available.
Oh, V did work, but it was bad.
Right.
Okay, so V
You
means that
understand?
it worked, but I didn't like it.
Right. You understand? What's the X
Yes.
for? Right. Okay.
And if I don't want it,
You just
I want
need
to
the trash
delete
can.
it. Delete.
Delete.
And I want to delete this one too. I don't like this either.
It's the same one.
It's the same one.
Yeah.
Delete this one too. Delete.
It's
And create another one.
right.
The next one will be, let's put USA 872 and see what that does.
See if it's still available.
The area code is currently not available.
Yeah.
But
You
there give
understand?
you another two that are not bad. 864
Okay.
and 228.
So you see, you almost have to grab them while they have it, you know?
No, you could try and then
Right.
come back. We have three
Right.
people, so each one has an email address and they can keep doing it until they
Right.
find a good one.
Right.
And if not,
It's okay, they can get one to try it.
yes. So I'm going to paste it at the top here.
Don't you want to look for 864?
864,
Keep on going down.
864,
Stop.
864.
You don't have it listed.
I don't have it listed, so let me
Insert. No, you want to go down.
paste it in my notes first.
Okay.
And then I want to go, what is before 864?
Is 849.
849. So I want to insert another
And from the top.
insert.
Right. 864.
I'll delete it. 228.
Okay.
And this is good because it's spelled vote, like vocal.
Like Volk.
Like the word vote. Like voice or vocal.
Yeah, that's very good.
That's very good. So let's
Yes.
try that and see what comes out from
Yes.
that. And mark it yellow if it is very good.
And also mark that it does exist.
Yes, thank you. So V does exist. V.
Okay, let's see. Okay,
Okay.
now create.
And then we have also 228 is bat.
But you want to see
Or
what exists
bat
first.
or cat.
But you
This
don't-
is really better because it's a complete word, you know.
Which one? The
Bat or cat.
oh,
Let me see if this is available. So
228.
228. We go to 22.
Stop.
22.
228.
Here.
Cat. Yeah.
Okay. Let's try with 228.
Create.
Create. Okay. Also 0 and 1.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like this either.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to delete that
Okay.
and mark that I didn't like it.
228. That's 4. I'm going to go to
228.
228.
So
8.
where is 228?
Right. Number 8.
8 here.
Row 8.
It was available,
Was available, but
V.
you deleted it.
but I deleted it. Put X means that I deleted it all.
Right. And now
Or
delete.
Z.
Okay. What does Z
delete.
mean?
Z deleted it.
Z means delete?
Yeah.
Okay, so delete it.
So delete it. And now I'll try vote. So the vote was vocal.
But
Right?
I like it.
You like vote?
Yeah. It's vocal.
Vote. And VOD is also good. Vote is V. 6. Here, this one.
Right. 864.
864.
Don't have the 4.
864.
Right. Now create.
Create. Okay,
This
this
is
is
0,
0
too.
and a 2. That's the problem. The other one have those zeros in there. So this will be vote, ITI, 9, ITI, IX. I don't like that either. But pretty soon we will exceed 10 and I will
Yeah.
tell you that you exceeded it.
Maybe let's do 1.
Delete. We try USA and that
We tried USA.
was not available.
Right.
Let's try vid, 843.
Okay. I like that one, if it's available.
Yes. Maybe 876, run.
No.
7, 6.
No, that's not run.
Create.
That's not run.
No.
786 is run.
Oh, 786, thank you. 786.
I don't think it's
Create. Not available.
864 is available. Or 307.
This is Vogue. 864, this is...
It is Vogue.
We have done that, right?
What?
We have done Vogue, and I didn't like it.
No, it's with a G. This is 8.
Oh, this is misspelled here. This is not Vogue, this is Vogue with a G.
Right.
Did I do it?
862, they said, is available. No, 864.
Vogue. So what do you want now?
That you tried it and you got a 0. You want to try another one?
No, so it is available.
Yeah.
And Z, I deleted it.
Yeah.
I will put the code. What is each character? Okay, so let's try 847. 847. Tip.
No. They're giving you the same one.
847.
Well, soon you're going to be out of it.
X. Okay, what else can we try? I tried it and it wasn't available. No, I didn't try 843.
You did, I thought. It said it wasn't available.
Right, so it wasn't available. And 862, wait, let's try Y, maybe that will be available. 929. 929. Create.
No.
No.
So put an X.
929. Put another X. Not available. With 949. 949. Create.
No.
No, not available.
It's going to stop on it.
Fine, let's stop.
Okay. This way you get the check.
X. What else do we want? Yes.
Yes, I like that.
You like that? 937. 937. Create.
No.
No. So another X. Another X. What else do we have here? Wish we tried, way we tried, book we tried, USA we tried, tip, tax.
Was
Right.
tip available? Or we just didn't
No.
like the number? Then why is there a V?
Doesn't matter, tax. Tax is 8 to 9. 8 to 9. Create. No.
No.
So tax is not available, okay. Tech is good too.
Tip is good, but it's not.
Okay, let's do tech. Tech is 832. 832.
No.
No.
So put an X.
X.
So sometimes it was available, I guess?
Yes. X is available. Let's go up. Rep.
Rep, I like rep, but that was
Okay.
not available.
So then it is 737. 737. Create. Not available.
So you want to put 2 X's?
Yes. Another X. I should save it also. When I crash it then.
What about sec?
Sec, I tried sec. Did I not
I
try
did.
sec? No? So that is 732.
I like that.
732. Create. No.
That's right.
Set.
X.
can go up. Pop, like pop culture. It's good. 7, 6, 7, and pre.
Pre.
7, 6, 7.
I like pre.
And create.
No.
No, for 7, 6,
Just
7.
with X.
There's another X. And then 7, 7, 3, pre. I have to go to the restroom, so can you take over?
No.
So, or you want to wait?
I want to wait.
You want to wait? Take a little break?
Yeah.
Okay, that's
So basically, we
Let me
see.
go up. No,
Huh?
6, 6, 9. Let's try that.
Because it's soon going to stop
6,
you anyway.
6, 9. I don't know. We need to see that it stops. 505 and 307. And, okay, so this is not good. I don't know if they limit you here to 662 mom. 662. Create. No. So
What an
mom
X.
is
אני
X.
צריכה גם כן.
Min and man. So let's
Max,
start.
what about Max?
Max, I don't know
I
the
don't know even Max, that's an area code.
Max, but man is 646. 46. 46. Create.
No.
So let me put another X there. And man is 636. Create. No. Another X there.
Go back up.
Oh, man with A. 626.
Yeah, that's good.
Create.
No.
Put another X in here.
Mm.
And man. 623. 3.
No.
No. Right?
Mm.
Please correct me if I'm wrong.
Right. Go back up.
Job we tried and it was no.
Right.
No, we rejected it. Can't.
Maybe
Right.
job, maybe they have another one that doesn't have ones. If we do job
No,
again.
because the increment from jobs will give job 1, 2, you know, and 1, 3 and 1, 4. You have to wait for 10 or 20 until it gets to that
22.
point.
Yeah.
So let's try. You're confusing me so much.
Kit, you want
5, 4, 8. We can leave it, take a little break.
Yeah.
5, 4, 8. And create. No, 5, 4, 8 is also no. Okay, let's take a little break.
Turn
And we'll
off.
come back and our fun is really great.
Yeah, fun would be
Try
great.
fun and then take a break.
Yeah, fun.
3, 8, 6. 3, 8, 6.
Create.
Create. No.
No.
For 2 X's. And Florida. But we'll do that after the break, so I'm saving it now. And let's take a little break. I'm going to stop the
It's an hour and 4 minutes.
recording on the phone
It's an hour and 4 minutes. And
and stop the recording. Oh my God,
goodness.
this already stopped by itself. Let me go to the back
I'll
one.
go to the back one.
Alright, we'll take a little break and we'll come back.
Oh, no.
Can we continue for a few minutes and finish it up?
Yeah, let's finish it up.
Did you stop the
I just stopped the recording of,
MSN recorder?
no. I just stopped, let me renew,
So let's start again. The job one was good. But
yeah, hold on, let me renew
can you
the,
renew it, please?
yeah,
Job.
let me
Let's go
resume.
to job. Here is job.
I'm recording, resuming recording, okay, all right.
Okay. Oh, jerk also. Okay. Job is really good. So
Job
let's
is
try
the
that.
best.
Job was
562.
562.
Let's see if it's,
562.
let's see if it's available, sometimes now
And
it's
one
in
thing
a
that I
little-
forgot to do is to copy.
Okay. See, but
Functionally to create is only available in the US. Phone numbers from other. Okay.
you know what I think it's now? I think it's a loop just telling you that you can just use those three.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
can try it, reload. Oops.
You timed out. I don't know what you
Timed out.
did.
What happened?
Mm-hmm. It's an error code.
I got an error code already.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So I
Okay,
can
so,
sign up
no,
again.
no, just open dashboard.
Open dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
And then
What
what?
happened? What can I do? Okay.
Okay.
Please try it in a few minutes.
Oh, there is an error.
Yeah, because when you did that, there's now an error. Go back to the VAPI. You have the VAPI, that tab VAPI. See what happened? Oh, yeah. See, it's timed out. Oh, I think you took too long.
Error 52.
Yeah.
This is good. You get the error. So
Right.
now you can go and
Oh,
refresh.
was
It's
not,
on.
you connected to the web server for too long with inactivity. You understand?
Yes.
So you know that
Let me
basically,
refresh
in case
the
they
SAR.
don't, if they don't exit properly, they do a timeout error.
Fine.
You understand?
Let me refresh PSAR. Following step recorder. So that was VAPI, AR, and strategic. We used the last one was one.
The job is really good.
Yeah. And when we come back, maybe it will increment.
Yeah.
Add the
You have to give
comment.
it some time. You understand?
Yes. Yeah.
Let it rest.
Did you restore Zoom?
Yes. It's recording now. Completely.
Fine.
That's the only thing I paused.
Fine. No, I want to.
Did you turn on your glasses?
Yes. Okay. Now, stop this off. I want to swap the batteries here to another power on 360. We can have the battery. Uh-oh.
What happened?
So that means that may be a good battery. This one somehow that was here, maybe I put it
Yeah,
there.
you put it there. I didn't put
I'm
it. I
just
don't touch your
afraid.
batteries.
I'm just afraid it's a bad one.
Okay, try.
Turn it on,
See if this is.
see if it works. It looks like it is okay. Start recording again. Okay, now turn towards the computer. Okay, now I want to save PSAR.
Yeah, it's a good time to stop anyways. You know
Can
what I
you
mean?
repeat it, please?
You're stopping step recorder.
To save PSAR. I click the save button. Repeat it, please.
You're clicking the save button.
And I wait for it to let me save.
Now you're going to choose the
When it comes
most
back,
recent one.
I'm going to take the last one that I was using that is
And the
listed
bottom.
at the end here.
At 336.
Make it a version C.
See? Was B before, make it C, and change the time.
C.
And now the time is 4:52
C,
p.m.
delete B. The time is
52 p.m.
4:52 p.m.
So it's an hour and 20 minutes later.
4:52 p.m.
Right.
And most importantly, I want to put in
The what?
the account that I was using,
Was the one
Control
extract?
V, 1X, strategic.
Right. That's important.
Yes, there.
So what I need to tell the students is to create a new Gmail account.
They probably all of them have from YouTube, that if they have done a YouTube stream, they have to have it.
Yeah, but do a new one. You understand?
No, you use the old one. Why do a new one?
Because sometimes they don't let you do more than 10.
More than 10 was. If you
One
have 3
person.
people,
Each person.
each
Start with
person, then they can make a second one
Right.
later.
Right.
Don't inundate them with
When you
garbage.
do new things, just use your, no, but don't use your school account. Right.
And then review additional details.
Go up and how
This
many?
was 449 steps.
Jesus.
Can you imagine that?
No.
449
And you know
steps.
that when you sit too long and don't respond, the server just
Crashes.
crashes.
Yeah. Then start a new recording. Repeat what you
You
said.
start a new recording. I'm gonna
Add a comment
add a comment.
and paste in
Paste
the comment
what's in the buffer.
the new file name, bizarre.
Okay.
Another thing we can do is also, I paste it in my notes,
Paste what you
the new bizarre file name, edit,
edit,
paste,
paste. Okay.
and a couple of enters and file save.
Make the file save.
Another mistake that we have done, I'm going to go to the end of this list also of the
Excel.
numbers and paste it right here. This is the bizarre file name, you
Okay.
understand? Paste
Alright.
and save.
Save it.
And in the bizarre file name, look at all the components that I have. I wanted to understand if I can stretch your brains a little.
You have to stretch you have to widen the
First of all, I
notepad.
have the YouTube URL right here. I mark it with the cursor.
Yes.
Then I have vapi.ai.
Right. And
Then I have the account that I was using,
X strategic.
1xstrategic@gmail.com, which I excluded. And then I have my video file name from MSN Recorder Max.
Yeah.
You understand? Then I go file save.
Perfect.
This is in my notes. Now we can go back and we can log in and log out again. Another thing that I can do.
Go to Vapi.
Oh, and I also wanted to add a comment to Pessar
About what?
with the new file name. I did it.
You did it already.
Just to be sure I did it
You
twice.
did it twice.
Okay, and then I saved the spreadsheet also. So now I want to go back.
You want to go to a new tab.
I'll go back to the original
No,
tab
no.
and see if I'm still logged in, or the sake here in another tab.
Type in vapi.ai.
Type in vapi.ai.
But yeah.
I'm already there.
Yeah, but move the step recorder. Okay, good. Okay, now
What
press
button
enter.
is it now?
It says
Cloudflare
dashboard.
working browser.
You're in dashboard. Sound good.
Oh, the next one.
These are all.
Let's open it full screen, maybe. Something
Open a new tab. Open a new tab.
Open a new tab on the browser.
Yeah.
What is this word?
This was that phone spell.
Oh, the phone spell.
Okay. Now what you should do is type over it, vapi.ai. Probably isn't. It's probably still in the buffer. That's the only problem.
What is in the buffer? Speak English.
The old Vapi sign-in, but try it. You may have to go to a new browser.
Okay, so let me take just the URL, I'll go to another
No,
browser.
you don't want to do that. That's the dashboard. You don't want to go with those numbers. No. You just want
I want
this.
just
Okay.
to copy the PAI.
Yeah.
Copy. Open up another browser.
Just to see. Okay,
Here
now
it is. Copy.
just type in zapping. Now let's press enter. Let's see what happens. Okay, for developers. Where does it say login? Open dashboard. See that open dashboard on the top? Let's see what happens. Can you maximize it so we can see it?
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. So now, sign
Sign
in
in with Google.
with Google and sign in, not sign up.
Sign in. Choose an account.
Which is the one strategic. You have it?
You see it here? I don't see
No, I
it.
don't see it.
So use another.
No.
Strategic.
Don't see it. Type in one.
Just relax, please. One. Here's one strategize, not one strategic. I take my notes. It's important that you use the notes and everything is documented, you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
But you're going to take your notes and do the one strategic at Gmail.
here, one strategic. See that?
Yeah. Paste.
One strategic. Next.
Put your password.
Let me see if I have it here. Just I don't see.
No. You have your phone looking at your keyboard?
No.
Do you have your 360 looking at the keyboard?
No. Please don't interrupt me so much. You took so much, I cannot remember what I've done. Please stop it.
Just enter your password.
Please cease fire.
Okay. So now go to phone numbers.
I want to go to phone numbers.
Okay. Create a phone number.
Create phone number. I want to type job. So 5, 6, 2, right? Yes, no. Are you there? And that's interesting that they added telnets. I want to put a note with that.
Added what?
Telnets. They can take a number from telnets also.
NYX. Telnix. Okay, now say
And
create.
then click create and
Create.
pray.
Let's see. No.
Now it's not available. Before they had it somehow.
Right.
And the other one was, what was the other one? I should have written and
thought you
copied it, and I didn't.
But you put it in the spreadsheet, no?
Spreadsheet is really not so good either.
You just put everything in your notes.
I think it was a vote.
I thought it did.
Vote. Vote is 862.
862.
862. And create.
No. So
Also,
they're saying now, listen, they've even limited it more. They say with
other
all
people go in, Sarah, and use it.
It's 307, 607, and 505. You see that?
Yes. Let's go over them and see which one are usable today. Was it vote? Yeah, vote.
Yeah.
We just tried that. It wasn't good. It didn't work, so
Right.
it wasn't available. So I want to put an X again.
X after it.
What else did we try today? USA was not available.
Vote was not available either.
No.
No.
Tip, tax, all of them that we tried them were not available. Oh, spy, I forgot. Let me try spy, maybe that will come out. 779. Create. No.
No.
So spy was not available either. X, this is yellow.
Yeah, spy's good.
Yeah.
You tried tax, I think, didn't you?
Rep, we tried par.
You tried run, didn't work. You tried sec,
Pod,
didn't work.
that's it, pod.
You tried pod.
763, yeah. Then you can do it another time, 763.
Right.
16. No. 763 was not available. Heck. What else do we have here that may be interesting? Now we tried and it didn't work.
Right. We tried man and men. It didn't work. We tried mob.
Mob we tried and it didn't work and I marked it.
Right.
MLS, that is not so bad. Because it is machine learning, multiple listings.
Machine learning, what's the S for?
Machine learnings.
I use that?
Conjugation, yes. Let's try and see if that works.
657.
I want to display it while I'm entering. 657, 657,
I don't see it.
657. Create. No,
Doesn't work.
7X didn't work.
So exit. Did you put MLS that didn't work? But you have 657, put MLS there. You wrote over it 657. Put it all caps. Put the caps on. Yes.
So if you don't like it, sometimes you have to quit, you know?
Yeah. Okay. I think we've done an hour and a half.
Just let me finish, please.
Okay.
On ARush, please. June and jerk. Earth. Hog. Heck. Fun with fried. Cow. And koi. And
Buy
Q.
is good.
And buy. Let's try cup. I never tried that before, so.
267.
67, yes. 267. Oops.
No.
Now give me the same error again.
404. No. Now it's getting to be an
Right,
issue.
so we can wrap it up.
Yeah, wrap it
We
up.
tried it enough for today. Don't you think
But
we'll
isn't
leave
it-
it and try again later?
No, try it tomorrow because it's 2 o'clock.
Oh,
2
this-
hours. You did 2
Yeah.
hours. You know,
This is too much,
you have 2 hours. It's enough.
so How do we wrap it up?
Okay, so what do we need to do to wrap up? So let's conclude. Let's do some summary. First of all, stop sharing.
Let me just play back some of the recordings.
Okay.
Can you let me do that?
Yeah, but let's do a summary.
Let me share my screen.
You are sharing your screen.
I am sharing it now.
Yeah.
So let me leave now and say what I'm doing. I'm going to stop the loom.
Okay, you're stopping the loom. Can I talk over you and just summarize what we did?
Yes, fine. Go ahead.
So basically what we did is we entered Vappy.ai and we signed up via Gmail. So when you sign up via Gmail, you can put in your Gmail and a password, and it will create an account for you. Then we created an assistant, and we chose to do a support team assistant. And then we also tried to get some phone numbers. We had an Excel spreadsheet with a number of area codes, and we're looking for vanity numbers. We're using the area code to spell something. We got some successful area codes. However, we didn't like the numbers because they had zeros and ones. So some other area codes we cannot get them. So right now, we're now going to stop and close out Vappy. Try another day when more numbers may be available with different area codes with numbers that spell a vanity number. So right now we're closing out. We're saving our spreadsheet.
Let me know when I can speak.
You can speak now.
So I'm going to edit, select the entire notepad, then edit copy to the clipboard buffer, then add it as a comment to Loom. Before I do that, maybe I should copy the video title instantly created. Loom AI automatically generated a title based on your video content. Video setup and troubleshooting guide.
No, it's trying to be more intelligent.
Right.
No.
So I want to add this comment. Add the comment. And I paste my comment with my notes. Doesn't let me paste anything in here. And the summary it already made. And I have a transcript. I can add my notes to the summary that it made. Go to the very end. A couple of enters. It doesn't let me add anything. Control V. Yeah, it let me add some things. Okay. Then I want to go up and add chapters generated by Loom already, so I don't need to edit the chapters.
And then you want to add tags.
And then add tags. So intelligence is the first. Repeat it.
Intelligence is the lanyard was the first.
Intelligence is the first, second time.
Intelligence is the first tag.
Lanyard is the second.
tag.
Artificial is the third.
Artificial is the third.
Remote.
Remote.
Plain.
Plain.
Inspection.
Inspection is the sixth.
In.
In.
Google.
Google.
Site. And Gen A, like Gen AI.
Gen AI.
Okay. So then I go up
It
again.
just says Gen. Doesn't have the I.
Because he truncated it for some reason. And then I try to play it back and it's not ready yet.
It's
I'm going
doing
to
some
just
more
minimize it.
processing than it used to.
And then we'll log another time.
Yes.
In the meantime, we'll explore the new or additional
Why
ways.
don't you log off the
to get
VAP
numbers.
properly?
Just a second. I don't want to log off just in case later on I'm already in and I can try it again. Maybe it will work. Okay, so now I have my notes here and I'm ready to
Did you save it?
file save.
Do you want to put the time?
It is on the file name. Don't you see the screen?
But it says 3:36.
But it's the same.
Okay.
No. I want to stop the other recordings.
Okay. So you didn't stop room.
I stopped one,
You did?
but I didn't play it back because it's not ready.
Mm.
Can you repeat it, please?
You said you didn't play back, you're not ready, but then why do I see?
It's not providing me the playback button. Do you
Okay, it doesn't
understand?
provide playback button because it takes longer now.
Fine, so when it finishes later, I can do it. In the meantime, I want to stop other recordings that are going on, like this one, for example. It's an hour and 50 minutes.
Right.